Happy June, everybody. It's Phil with OuterBanksThisWeek.com. I'm out here on the beach in South Nags Head at Hargrove Street Beach Access, and it's turning out to be another beautiful day here on the Outer Banks. And all this week it's going to be gorgeous. We got temperatures right around 80 degrees or so. The water's a little bit on the chilly side. It's hovering right around 60 degrees, but we have seen it go up and down a lot over the past couple of weeks. But we got a lot of stuff still going on here on the Outer Banks. Some of the big events coming up this week. We got First Friday in downtown Manteo, and then on Saturday in downtown Manteo as well, we'll have Dare Day. And then if we go all the way down south to Ocracoke Island, they have their Ocracoke Festival going on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's a really fun event. If you haven't checked that out before, definitely take a look at that. But there's a lot of other events going on. You can check out more details on those events and what's happening this week by going to OuterBanksThisWeek.com. But that's really all I got for you this week. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you again next week.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.